Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix the Slappers plugin not working. So first of all, go to Chrome and type Pocket. There we are gonna download our plugin. Scroll down and you will find the Slapper plugin. There, as you can see, there is the Slapper plugin. Now tap on the direct download button. Now it's downloading the file. Now type FAR to zip converter. Now it will convert your PHAR files to .zip file, which will come in handy later on. Let's open by files and tap on slapper.far. Now as you can see, it's now converted to slapper.zip. Now go to internal storage and find your download folder and paste your downloaded slapper thing to there. Now as you can see, we have slapper.zip here. Now we are gonna make a folder to keep our things organized. Let's name it Slapper. Now move the file to Slapper folder. Now as you can see, we have slapper.zip here. Now we are gonna unzip the thing. Now as you can see, it's unzipped right now. So we are gonna go there. I don't know, I can't open the .yml file, so I'm gonna use another file explorer to do that. I'm gonna use material files app to do that. Now we are gonna go to the folder we put in the file. Let's see, yeah. Now type on plugin.yml and remove the whole MCP protocol section. Just remove MCP protocol whole section and the numbers. Just like that. And tap on save button. Close it and then make a zip file out of it. Tap on zip thing. Make sure there is no folder surrounding these things. Make sure it's like that if you check it. Now you have to go to Chrome and tap on select file. And tap on files. After that, tap on files. Tap on your file explorer. I'm gonna pick the files as the file explorer. And this thing. Now go down. Now tap on slapper.zip that we created. Now it's gonna convert this .zip file to .far file. Now as you can see, it's done. Now we are gonna move .far file in the internal storage. I had cut the part out because there are my personal information there, so yeah. Now rename the file to slapper.far and my server has been created. So I'm gonna use my server. I'm gonna tap the start button and my server is working properly. I'm gonna go to files and then the plugins, and then I'm gonna upload my plugin that I fixed. By the way, it's not my plugin. Now go to files, drop down and tap on slapper.far and let it upload, and now it's being uploaded. Okay, the slapper.far has been uploaded. Now you're gonna go to console and tap the restart button. Now our server is being restarted. Now I think the restarting has been complete. Let's see if it says enabling Snapper. Yeah, it says enabling Snapper. It means the plugin is working. So I'm gonna go to configuration and there I'm gonna see my server IP. Oh god, it's in server details. I forgot. Now there it says my server IP. So yeah. So I'm gonna open my Minecraft app and join that IP. By the way, I have already pasted the IP, or else the video would be too long. And I'm gonna sign into the Microsoft account. Okay, now I'm gonna tap on play. Don't roast about my mobile and comments. Okay, my phone is really trash. God, it's taking so long. Finally, it's loaded up. Now, let's see. Moment of truth. Slash Slapper. Oh god, it's showing up. It means the Slapper plugin is really working. Let's try it in the snow. Oh god, if this works, then it would be really easy to create a server. Slash Slapper create human. Now I'm gonna type the name of it, shopkeeper. Oh god, it's working. So yeah, this is how you can create a Slapper plugin. How you can fix Slapper plugin. So if you like that video, please leave a like, comment, and sub to my channel. Also guys, if you want to add some commands on your Slapper, like when you tap on Slapper, it executes a single command. Then if this video gets 10 likes, I'll make a video about how you can add custom commands on your Slapper. You can make your Slapper do selling, make it a shop, or do whatever you want. So if this video gets 10 likes, then I'll be really happy and I'll make a video about it. Also, I'll try to help some of you guys out with your server. If you want me to help you guys with your server, then type help me in the comments. Well, till then, bye.